You know what he needs to do? Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh shit!
¿Ahí se le cuida?
This one almost stopped. Oh shit, bro. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I'm just making a little like intro into a little vlog, just because I didn't plan on vlogging this vlog that I'm gonna be releasing. But real quick, it was just something that we're gonna go take pictures of my cousin's car. If you guys don't know yet, he just recently got a MK2 Supra, so it's a pretty cool car. Honestly, it's pretty clean too, not bad. For the price that we went and got it for, it was actually pretty clean. So that's like I said, we were just planning to go take pictures, but obviously we took advantage of the open area, and I told him to swing it, you know, just see how your car feels or whatever. And well, he did. He attempted it like a couple times, and after a while I showed him how to actually swing it. You know, but other than that, his car felt really cool though, or really good. You know, better than the Z because of the power steering. So yeah. So other than that, enjoy the little vlog. It's a very small vlog, but it was just something, I guess, just to put out there so you guys can see him and his little attempts, which is pretty funny. You know, because at times me and my buddy Javier, we didn't know which way he was going, so he was either moving to the left or right. But I don't know. It was a fun time. It was a fun little short time. But other than that, enjoy the little vlog. Thank you guys for still being here. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you guys like the video so that YouTube could do the little algorithm thing and put this out for other viewers. And yeah, stay safe, be alerted, don't be fearful, let's stay positive, and have a good day, guys.